Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another very cool DIY video. This video is a part of the challenge that is hosted by Mama Dares to DIY. This is a lovely lady. Her name is Carrie, and her co-host for this month is Keisha from Sweet Urban Rose. I will post both of their channels right here on the screen, and also they will be linked in the description below. If you don't know neither one of them, I would strongly recommend for you to go check it out. They are amazing. Carrie and Keisha both have unique channels. They are such a cool crafters and DIYers. They come up with such a neat ideas. I love watching them. I've been following them for a while, and when they announced this challenge, I wasn't feeling well, but I kind of finally better. The allergy was a little bit kicking my butt, but I am back. So the theme of the challenge was Christmas in July. How about that? So I didn't really have any Christmas decorations pulled up yet. So, however, I have two of my favorite Christmas DIYs that I have created, and this is what I'm bringing it for you to see. If you would like to see it, please continue watching. This is my items that I'll be using: my paint that I got at the Walmart, and my candle holder, and my little bowl. So I went outside and I spray painted and I left it there. It actually dried pretty quick. So this is what it looked like after I was done. Just try not spray paint too much so you won't have drips kind of on it, but just go slow and it will be just fine. So after I got inside, I already have my printouts that I will trace on the bowl. And then I will cut off his bow tie and place it on a candle holder. And what I'm showing you, this is a Dollar Tree bow that I made a little shorter because I kind of don't like it that long. So now I'm gonna cut the eyeballs out, and I'm gonna cut his bow tie, whatever that bat that he has on his neck. And then I'm gonna trace it around, and after that is done, I will fill it up with the black paint, and we will move on to the next part. I'm gonna use my hot glue, and I already cut out his bow, and I'm gonna place it right at the bottom of the candle holder so it will look nice and pretty. Then I'm gonna use my little red bow that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna place it so he will look like a Christmas or a holiday jack. Then after that, I will glue the head to the body with my hot glue gun, and that will be it for this video. So let's get started. I got my hanger that I am going to try to make a circle for our wreath. And I'm gonna show you how, because it should be not that difficult. We're just gonna straighten it out and make a big circle out of it. So I got my pliers just in case I need to make it round, but it's bendy, so it's going. I'm gonna make it as a circle, and this is how it looks. This way a little more round. There you go, a little more. So now we got the circle going, so a little more circle-ish and a little more over here. And now we're gonna start putting, see, that was easy. The first part was easy. So now we're gonna start putting our decorations on. So I don't know if this is too many or not enough, so we're gonna go with it. And I got those two different buckets as I showed you, because I kind of want to make a different color. So I'm gonna do this one, purple, dark purple, and it's like different red styles here. So good. Straighten this out a little bit, and so the hook will go through. One is on. I'm gonna do one red, one. Oh, there you go. So I used two of these buckets. This is what we got so far. So now we're gonna use a little string, which is, this is the one, to go around, sorry, to go around and kind of make a pretty handle. So check it out, doesn't it look cute? Ow. Now we're gonna close it up again like we used to, like our hanger was before. So we're gonna twist it and twist it and straighten it out. I went with this one, so we're gonna glue it right here on the middle. So let's glue it to the hanger and then straighten out our little bows, and we'll be done. Okay, so the bow's on. Oops. Now our wreath is ready. Woohoo! So what do you guys think? I thought it was pretty good. Look at this. And it was really easy to make. Well, that was all for today. Thank you so much, Carrie and Keisha, for hosting this Christmas in July amazing DIY challenge. I really enjoyed participating, even though I have just showed you what I have created for my Christmas and last year. I love those decorations. We packed them all nicely so we can reuse them again. I can't wait for more challenges, but thank you so much. That was all for today. If you guys want to see more videos in the Christmas in July theme, there is a playlist link in the description below with lots of people who are participating in this challenge in the video. Just click on it and you will be all set to watch more. But for now, this is all for me for today. And if you're one of my new people, please let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to the family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much. Be safe out there, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye.